Today I get to help William with math, which usually has put me in tears most of my life because I have a very hard time with math. And it's taken me an hour to figure out how to do these two problems and remember how to do them. So, with the help of little Clara being a good girl and nursing.
Not showing.
Don't show booby.
And not showing explicit content.
Thanks, William. Okay, so the first problem that he had to work on was 2/3 minus 1/4.
Yep.
So explain to me what you had to do first. You had to, the first step is to write them vertically, right?
Yep.
Well, now what do we do from there? We had to figure out the denominators, right? So how did you do that?
Well, we did the...
We're doing the top problem. 2/3 minus 1/4.
Are we on this one or this one?
Yes, the top one.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what did you do to make your denominator 12, William?
Okay, so to get it to 12, well, first, we had this problem, 2/3 and 1/4. So, to do that, well, 4 can't go into 3. It just, you can't do it. It's impossible.
Doesn't go into it evenly.
No, it can't.
Okay, so what do you do when your denominators can't go? Okay, you multiply
times, same thing.
when your denominators can't go into each other evenly.
That is equals to be 12, because if that's just common multiplication.
Okay.
So we have right down here, if you can notice, we have put 12 right there.
Okay, so now the next step is to say, okay, your denominators, how many times can they go into 12? So for your first problem, you have 3.
Well, 3
can go into 12 how many times?
4 times.
So 3 times 4 is 12. Now what you do to the bottom, you have to also do
to the top.
Okay, so
2 times 4 equals 8.
So now you have 8 12s.
8 12s.
Now do the bottom portion. What's the next
well,
fraction?
4 times 3 equals 12. It's just basic multiplication. On the top, we have to do times 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3. If you said that, you are correct. So then, since we're doing a minus problem, we have to minus 8 to 3. Well, 8 minus 3, we all know, because that's first grade math. 5. That equals 5.
So your answer is 5 12ths.
And what we have right here? Well, 5 12ths.
Okay, so your next one, though, was a little trickier because we ended up with an improper fraction. And I had to remember how to do... how to simplify an improper fraction.
It took us an hour by looking at YouTube videos trying to find it.
Well, we used the book first.
Yeah, but it didn't help.
And then at the last bit of it, I used a YouTube video and refreshed my memory.
Yes.
Okay. No tears, right?
No tears.
Okay.
So far.
So far, right? Mom's not crying, right?
No.
William's not crying, so we're doing good.
No, but I'm stressed, tired. I'm tired of because can't get this one problem down in 1 hour.
Okay, but we did. So now it'll be easier for us, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
So here you have 7/8 plus a half, right?
Here's
so
7/8.
Again, you're writing vertically.
Yep. So I have right there.
And we have to get a common denominator. Now in this one, 2 and 8 work evenly, right? Because 2 can go into 8 evenly.
Correct.
Right? So how many times, so your new denominator is going to be 8, right? All right. Now how many times can 2 go into 8?
4 times.
Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. And what we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So
do to the top.
1 times 4 is?
1 times 4 equals 4. What? Okay. Did you guess it?
4/8.
Correct. If you guess 4, you're right.
So now do the top one because you have to do 7/8. So again, 8 goes into 8 how many times?
Well, 8 can go into 8 twice. 1 time.
Okay, so 8 times 1 is 8. And then what you do to the bottom, you do to the top.
Yep.
So 7 times 1 is
a 7.
Yay, William.
Yay.
Okay, so 7/8 and 4/8 is now your new problem. So 7/8 plus 4/8 equals 11/8.
Yep.
But that's an improper fraction.
Which, that's what we had to do for an hour.
Okay, so because Mom couldn't remember how we simplify an improper fraction.
And the book wasn't helping us very much.
I know. Okay. I'm smart about a lot of things, but math challenges me.
Yeah.
It's my weakness. Okay, but we got to figure it out. So,
it's okay. You don't need
we know that 8 goes into 11 one time. 3 left over. So when you have an improper fraction, what do? We divide. Yay!
Yay!
Okay. So with 8 going into 11 one time and 3 left over, you now have 1 and 3/8.
Yep.
That is your answer.
So
did you learn some new stuff today?
Yes, extremely long, hard things today.
Are you ready to do 12 more problems like this today?
No, I want to get on my science part.
I know, you like science better. Okay, well, thanks for watching.
And here's a thing right here. See, and there's
If you needed a refresher in fractions, here you go.
and see right there, 1 whole. That we have 1 pizza and 3 slices. We'll see, one pizza's 8 slices. Okay,
Are you trying to explain to me what numerators and denominators
Okay, this is
are?
what we have. Let's see,
Your
that's 1
denominator is your whole part. Your numerator is telling you how many parts you're counting out of the whole. So if you have, like this one, 5/12, William, that means you have 12 parts and you're counting 5 of them.
All right, so see this? So we have 1 whole pie
I guess we're not done explaining.
and 3. We shaded 3, and now we have that many pies. Boom.
Thanks. And Clara is learning algebra. Hopefully I'm not giving you guys a boob shot because she just let go of the boob. You're getting so smart.
She's the smartest girl in the world.